I'm making ultimate tuna melts, which is basically a tuna sandwich, but with the volume turned way up. This is very retro food. And I'm starting with tuna, but not ordinary tuna. I'm starting with really good tuna. This is Spanish tuna. It's packed in olive oil, but it's big pieces, and it's absolutely delicious. It's moist. The flavor is fantastic. I really look for some kind of imported tuna in a glass jar. With all respect to American tuna, this is particularly good. Okay, the tuna's broken up. Not too much, but just enough. And now we're gonna add lots of good things. Some diced celery. I always use the hearts of celery. I just think it's tenderer than the outside. The outside can sometimes be a little stringy. Lots of scallions. Give it lots of onion flavor. Mix it all in. And dill. I know it doesn't normally go with a tuna fish sandwich, but it makes such a difference. About 3 tablespoons of fresh dill. Think of dill with seafood, but you don't normally put it in tuna salad. And I thought, let me try it. It was really good. It's got that kind of anisey flavor. Okay, fresh lemon juice. Kind of brightens everything. Salt and pepper. Give it a little heat. It's amazing how salt and pepper makes everything taste better. Okay, next is the mayonnaise. And what I'm gonna do is flavor the mayonnaise. About 3/4 of a cup of good grocery store mayonnaise. Next is anchovy paste, just 1 teaspoon. I know, there are a lot of people that don't like anchovy paste, but it just gives a little extra depth of flavor and you don't know it's anchovies. Okay, this is gonna go right into the tuna. I mean, so far, almost everything has been in your vegetable bin or your pantry. I'm gonna mix this in. This is just comfort food, weeknight dinner, perfect thing to make. My mother always used to make us tuna fish sandwiches when we were kids. Trust me, it didn't taste anything like this. These are so much better. Okay, tuna salad's done. I'm just gonna pile it on 4 pieces of toasted white bread. So that's the tuna, next is the cheese. So I've grated some Emmenthal, it's Swiss cheese. It's got a really good nutty flavor. I love it, and it's gonna be really good on this. I grated it so it melts a little better. I like the way it looks. I like the way it melts. I like the way it tastes. It's all good. I don't wanna see any orange slices on this. You want all the ingredients to have as much flavor as possible. Each thing has to earn its place in the recipe. Okay, into the oven under the broiler, just for 1 or 2 minutes, just until the cheese melts. I want the tuna still to be cool. Watch it really carefully. Okay, I think they're ready. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, tell me these aren't the best looking tuna sandwiches you've ever seen. I love these. And I'm not even a tuna melt aficionado, but these are really good. They look kind of gooey and cheesy and tuna fish. This is perfect retro food for a weeknight dinner. The ultimate comfort food. And because I can't ever leave well enough alone, I'm just gonna put a little microgreen on top. It's like a little peppery salad. It just kind of freshens the whole thing. I think you can find them in any grocery store now. It's like having a salad with your tuna melt. And I have to say, it looks better.